Alright, I'm almost done, but I just wanted to show you, I still got that cheap little paintbrush, and I'm painting this entire baseboard, and lots of times when you try to cut in, you get your paint on there and then you go down at an edge. Well, I'm right up next to the grout, and here's another way you can do it. I've loaded up my paintbrush with some paint. Now I'm just going flat. Now I'm gonna come down there. I've got lots of the paint off my brush, but I still got enough. Now I'm just gonna use the whole thing and go that way. Okay, now I can come back that way and go back that way again. I can get right down in there. See there? Let's try that again, shall we? I think you can see that. Got paint on my brush, and see, I'm on the right hand side because I can do it better this direction because I can see what I'm doing. I can get right down there, and that's good enough. I just want to make sure I don't go up too high on the baseboard, because you think, oh, I'll just go way up like this, and then all of a sudden this tip spooges right on your wall or something. Okay, $1.50 paintbrush works. Let's just do the last little bit there, shall we? Because this was in the bathroom and it had lots of marks. So see, I start up at the top, get most of the paint off my brush. Now I can come down there. I've got a little bit left on my brush, but not enough to create any edge. And see, I can come down. I hit that one little spot right there. Man, almost looks like I was a professional or something, but I'm not. You don't have to be either. Yes. Okay, I'll finish off the edge. Yeah, you want to see me finish that edge, I'll bet. Okay. I've got to be careful as I get next to the tile. Now see, I can come up this other direction this way, like that. Start from the top. Looks like I got to dip in just a little bit more. I'm going to work up towards the top and then work down. And now I got enough off my brush. Now I can go down and get that. There it is. Beautiful. Hope you learned something. Now, how much did you save by doing that yourself, touching up your baseboards and your door jambs and your doors? I'd say you probably saved about $125. Now, what's your time worth? Or, you don't have the money, grab yourself a little bit of paint and a paintbrush. And once you have the paint, I've got plenty of paint to do it again or to repaint the baseboards later on, or the doors, or whatever. Okay? Save your money and start doing things yourself. Am I going to save this paintbrush? Of course I am. It's perfectly good. I just rinsed it out and everything. Got my same paper towel here. Just wrap that up in there like that. And it's good for next time I need it. Okay? Don't throw those away. I can still use this for next time, can I? It's still fine. Yeah, I think that's how I wrapped it. I can wrap it that way too. That's how I usually do it, like that. Press that and then fold that over. Okay? There you go. Ready for my next little painting project. And I'm good to go. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.